Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain you to how we make pictures using pixellab. First you need download this application in the Play Store or Apple App Store. After you need to open this application. Okay, now you do this. YouTube thumbnail. This picture size is YouTube thumbnail. Now you need select your favorite pictures of them. I'll add this pictures link in this video's description. Okay, I like this picture. Now you need merge these three pictures. Oh, I have lost it. Now you need merge this. Oh no. Okay, now our work is over. Now you need select very beautiful background. I'll add this picture to this video's description. You need download this picture from it. Lock this. Now you can change this picture size. Okay, this. Now you can see this is beautiful picture. Now save as image. Image format is PNG. Save to gallery. Now you back from pixellab application and go your gallery. Okay, now you can this beautiful picture in your gallery. You can send this to your WhatsApp status, your social media applications. Okay, so today video is over. Thanks for watching my video. Let's meet. We will meet next video.